Matthew Ladd here with Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T, Trucks and Tips. This week we're going to take a look at how to clean the peeper window. The peeper window is a small window located on the passenger door of a T370-T800 or W900, and is a very commonly used option on the truck to see what is next to your passenger door. This window often gets dirty. Today we're going to show you how to remove the seal and clean the window. Now the first step is to spray the window, more specifically in the seals, so that it pops off easier. Then you need a simple tool like this, a pry bar for car trims. This one I bought this whole kit online. And you pry in and pop out the window. Like so. Now you're able to clean this window, and you're also able to reach inside and clean the interior window. Then you simply pop this back into place, and you're ready to go. And that's Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T, Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.